Today's cryptic crossword clue is NYT's disrupted by a strike order for writers. And this is a topical clue. We're trying to include some topical clues, and particularly here it's referencing the strike that's going on with the New York Times and their tech wing, particularly striking word games. And so pretty topical, and a few people have reached out and said you should do a clue about the strike. So here it is. Liam and I worked on this together, and this is primarily his clue here. And I think it's kind of clear probably which end of the clue looks like wordplay more than the other end. And it is NYTS, disrupted. If we were to disrupt those letters, we would rearrange them. Disrupted is an anagram indicator. And so we've got to find some different ordering of those letters. And then the words by are quite different in how we need to handle them. By is just a linking word. It's like saying next to. A disrupted NYTS will be next to a strike. But is not a linking word. In fact, you could remove the letter A from this clue and it would read perfectly normally. The A is there for a reason, and it's because we need it in the answer. Sometimes you will just see an A in a clue, making it read well as a sentence, but you just end up using that A in the answer, which then leads us to strike, which, based on the number of letters we have, we will need to replace strike with one letter. And here, strike can be replaced by the letter X. This is partly a reference to 10-pin bowling. If you score a strike, the notation for that is an X. But also, if you strike someone from a list or from a roster, you're removing them, you're crossing them out. And so in cryptic crosswords, strike can be replaced by an X. And if you rearrange NYTS and put it next to AX, you get the word syntax, which is an arrangement of words, an ordering of words that a writer would use. It's an order for writers.